Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. First, we need to put about the limit a approach to positive infinity. So for this one, we will change by a because I approach to positive infinity in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to e from here, so I will put e cone here, and then we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to a, so I will put a cone here, and then u equals to ln(8). So this one we change by number 1. A we change by ln(8). ln(s) we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. So the integration of this one in here, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put the bounds from number 1 to ln(8). Now I will put this one cone here. So ln number 1 we have number 0. So we see that a approach to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So that means this one divergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.